By the end of the video, we'll know about protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders or athletes. It's a valuable supplement for women looking to support their health and fitness goals. Whether you're aiming to build lean muscle, improve recovery after workouts, or manage weight, protein powder can be a beneficial addition to your diet. Maximize your gains with Dymatize, ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. With quality ingredients and delicious flavors, fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. One of the primary benefits of protein powder for women is its role in supporting muscle health. Many women fear that consuming protein powder will bulk them up, but in reality, it can help tone and sculpt muscles without adding excessive bulk. Incorporating protein powder into your diet can aid in muscle repair and growth, especially after resistance training workouts. This is particularly important as women age, as maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly crucial for overall health and functional independence. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Protein powder can also be a convenient and practical way for women to meet their daily protein needs, especially for those with busy lifestyles. Balancing work, family, and other commitments can make it challenging to prepare protein-rich meals throughout the day. Protein powder offers a quick and portable solution, allowing women to easily increase their protein intake without the need for extensive meal prep. It's an excellent option for busy mornings, post-workout snacks, or as a convenient meal replacement when time is tight. Additionally, protein powder can support weight management goals for women. Protein is known for its satiating effect, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. By including protein powder in your diet, you may reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks and better control your overall calorie intake. This can be particularly beneficial during periods of calorie restriction or when trying to lose weight, as adequate protein intake can help preserve lean muscle mass and promote fat loss. When choosing a protein powder, women have several options to consider. Whey protein, derived from milk, is one of the most popular choices due to its high-quality protein content and rapid absorption rate. It's ideal for post-workout recovery and muscle building. Casein protein, another milk-derived protein, digests more slowly, providing a sustained release of amino acids over time. This makes it a great option for curbing hunger between meals or